I'm in the basement, yes, of a building we've rented while our students upstairs take a practice SAT. And they're doing the right thing. I'm a proctor. I'll be back with them very soon. In the meantime, they are testing to get good at knowing the test, knowing themselves on the test, and being able to perform on test day. We are trying to simulate conditions. We used to be able to do this in schools themselves. Security and then COVID has made all but the private schools inaccessible to us. So we rent space, and students are able to get good at their SAT, and on a future weekend, they're going to be able to smack it. I encourage everyone to do this. Our students are virtually made to do this. Ivy Bound is about asking kids to do 7 to 10 practice tests before they do it for real. Is that out of line? Well, compare it to your average sport that a student works at this spring. Okay, I was a crew coxswain, not an oarsman, and we practiced 15 hours at least in the 2 weeks before the Eastern Sprints, which was a 6-minute race. Okay, other kids, they're practicing almost as many hours for literally 2-minute races. Okay, they're running a 4:40, hopefully in less than 2 minutes, but they end up working hard to get good and perform on a single day. That's what we ask our kids to do. And in comparison to a single track race, unless it's the state finals, an SAT is more important. Okay? It is the main determiner after grades of what colleges are going to select you. And it is the main determiner even in front of grades of how much money colleges that do give merit-based scholarships to are going to award your parents. So working at it in a reasonable ratio totally makes sense, okay? I'm not asking for, 15 times. The ratio with the track meet is ridiculously high. The ratio with the crew race is medium high. Mine is about 3 to 1, okay? Do 9 practice tests for 3 real tests. And some kids will do just 1 real test and be what we call one and done. We like that. Doing all your practice so well that on test day, you nail all sections and never have to do it again. That's what the kids upstairs are aiming to do, and we help get there. I hope that can become your family's mantra because it really works to get kids big admissions and get parents high college scholarships. I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein for Ivy Bound.